Hey everyone, welcome to Artistal Life. So here, this is the Learn to Draw series where I will be uploading a lot of videos on how to draw and right from basics to the advanced level. So this is my first video in which I will be showing you the best way to hold a pencil. So let's begin. So here I am using a black matte 4B Faber-Castell pencil. So the first way to hold a pencil is how you hold a pencil when you write anything. For example, when you write anything, how you hold a pencil, it's the same way you hold a pencil while drawing. So let me show you one of my portraits for this. Here I have used this technique. As you can see, I am doing the detailing with the same thing, holding the pencil as how we write. But the thing is, if I want to draw this shape, the oval shape, I cannot use my wrist for this. I have to use my whole arm. So the tip is that you have to use your whole arm while drawing big shapes. So if I am drawing with my wrist, I can reach till here. But if I am drawing with my whole arm, I can reach till here and over. So the first way is that holding a pencil like how we write anything. As you can, so you have to hold your pencil not too tight, not too loose, just the perfect grip. The index finger and the thumb is giving the perfect grip to the pencil. So you have to just practice some spirals, some straight lines and also some zigzags to get a better control over the pencil. So holding a pencil is the most important thing to learn to draw. So the second way is that how you hold your pencil just like a paintbrush. For example, while shading, you hold a pencil below the middle part of it. It is just like the way how you hold your paintbrush while painting on canvas. So in this portrait, I have used this shading technique in the face area and also in the hair. While shading, you will get the perfect proportion. Here I am using a 4B Faber-Castell black matte pencil. You can use 8B or 10B to get the darker shade of it. So now you know that these are the two simple ways and the best ways to hold the pencil while drawing. The first way is that using your whole arm or wrist in the detail area while drawing, and the second way is that holding a pencil like a paintbrush to get the shade in the various proportion of the drawing. So now you know the two best and simple ways to hold a pencil while drawing. I will be uploading other videos like basic shading techniques. So these were the two basic and simple and easy way to hold a pencil for drawing. I hope you like this video and let me know in the comments if you want anything for the next video. Thank you so much for watching and keep practicing. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next video.